Hi stars, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. Today we are going to be showing you how to make yummy meatballs. Watch out. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.